The Protestant churches or religion, they are not of God because they are divided, fragmented, faction upon factions, because the Church of Jesus Christ cannot be destroyed. In the book of Matthew chapter 16 verse 18 to 19, he said, "You are Peter, upon this rock I will build my church. Even the gates of hell cannot destroy this church." Protestants, Pastor, what happened to your church right now? Are you still of God? Because the one who founded your church is only a human being. But the founder of the Catholic Church, fully man, fully God, and his name is Jesus Christ. That's why the Catholic Church never been destroyed. That even until now, still here on planet Earth. No one can destroy. No one can shatter this church. Because long time before, even until now, it is protected by the blood of Jesus Christ. Long live the Catholic Church.